Hi my lovely people, welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat Again. As you can see, the hot sunny days are approaching near and summer season is coming. So now I'm gonna show you the famous and royal Falooda, which is very famous in all over Mumbai and other parts of India also. This Falooda is flavored with rose syrup, with some vermicelli, some basil seeds and fresh rose milk. And it's quite refreshing during the time of summers to beat this summer. Here I pre-boiled my vermicelli, that is rice vermicelli, in hot water with a teaspoon of rose essence in it. You can boil it normally how you do it for pasta, but make sure it should not be overboiled and mushy. Strain it and keep it aside and let it cool down to room temperature and then put it in the fridge. You can see the texture of it, it's quite distinct. Now soak the basil or sabza seeds in a bowl of warm water to completely cover the seeds and let it rest for some time until it bulges and swells fully. Now strain it and it will start to look little transparent with a small black dot in the center. You can see the texture of it. So my vermicelli is ready, sabza seeds are ready, they are swollen enough. Now comes the assembling part. Take a tall glass. This is a traditional way of serving the royal Falooda, and put the rose syrup first at the bottom up to 1/3 portion, or it depends on your choice how much sweet you want, and then put the vermicelli. Followed by the sabza seeds. You can see the texture of it, it's looking quite good, it's quite presentable also. Then fill it up with the chilled milk slowly up to the 3/4 portion of the glass. And now scoop the vanilla ice cream on top of it up to the rim. So now for garnishing, drizzle some more rose syrup on top with some dry fruits on it. Here I am using almonds, pistachio, cashews and raisins. You can choose any of your choice and serve immediately with a long spoon. So my royal Falooda is ready. As you can see, it's looking really royal over here with the long glass and with all the colors and shades. You can see it's of all summers. So let me try it. I just can't wait to have this. This is my personal favorite. It just melts in your mouth with all the flavors of vermicelli, the sabza beets and the crunch of fruits I've put on top. With the flavored rose milk, it's really good for the summers. If you want an extra color to this, you can also add some chopped fresh fruits of your choice for your children. And if you want, you can also put some colored jelly for your children just to make it fancy for your children. And here I've used vanilla ice cream on top, but few people also choose to put kulfi, but that's your choice. So do try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. It's me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.